Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video for you guys today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can register for your Empower account. So basically, having an Empower card enables you with different sort of services, as Empower is a financial technology company. So if you'd like to get acquainted with different services relative to this card, this is the video for you. Stick with me till the end of this video to register yourself. So for this, first of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the Empower app on your mobile device, and then open up the app. As you open up the app, you will be able to land on an interface that looks like this, where you can see that on the bottom right corner there's a get started option. Tap on it. As you tap on the get started option, you can scroll through to see different services, and then tap on join Empower. Tap on continue again, and now what you have to do is you'll have to enter your phone number in this section. Once you enter your phone number, you can tap on the continue button. They'll send you a certain verification code or a one-time password that you can particularly enter over this section. After you get verified, you'll have to give in certain credentials such as your legal name, your email address, and also set up a password for your account. And by means of this, you'll be able to register for your Empower account. So this is basically how it works. I hope that with the help of this video, you'll be able to create your own account. If you do so, do let us know in the comment section below. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and also hit that bell notification so that you get reminded every single time that we come up with a new tutorial video. Thanks a lot for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.